Ocean Park.
Diretso dun pa, sa kabila.
Doon Ocean.
Pero
Hindi, pasok tayo dito oh.
hindi dyan pa.
Manila Ocean Park tsaka hotel.
Dun ang entrance.
Ocean Park. You know, see lion. You know, Nemesis. You know, Nemesis.
Kaya dito tayo magpapark.
Pwede. Saan ba yung Hotel H2O dito?
Katabi nga yung pasukan ng H2O sa ng Ocean Park.
So doon tayo. Doon na tayo magpark pa. Mama, happy birthday. Dati wala itong mga to eh. Konti lang kainan dati. Diyan na muna tayo. Dito. Para pag ganun tayo. Yeah. Haba ng neck nila oh. Haba ng neck.
Frog yan. Hindi gumagana.
Ayun oh.
Nadili sila Winnie. Cellphone mo pang picture. Cellphone mo pang picture.
Snake.
Ayun oh. Moving yung snake oh. Baba ikaw anak, baba. Ay, tingnan mo yung snake.
Hello. Hello.
Moving oh, no.
Meron pa dito, other side oh. Bati oh. Snake.
Yes. Oh. Laki oh.
Kasi niya grabe.
Iguana. Dito turtle oh. Forest turtle. Snapping turtle oh. Snapping turtle oh. Pag nilagay mo yung daliri mo dyan, putol yan. Ito frog oh. Frog. Yan, snapping turtle. Spider. Yun, spider. Tarantula. Ayun oh.
Yung spider mo, ayan oh. Yung spider pa yan oh. Minister to. Spider man.
Meron ba dyan pa? Ayo, ano ito? Skink. Pac-Man frog. Laki!
Ito yung nag-ano.
Ay, baby. Ganyan. Ayun, snake oh. Python. Albino. Tingnan mo, Matthew, oh. Clean nila yung mirror, oh. Bakit?
Oh, see.
Ano python? Burmese python.
Dito. Dito.
Ito, meron pa. Ito, hedgehog, oh.
Oh, white rat.
Hedgehog. Ayun, ayun, ayun. Ayun. Hedgehog.
Ayun, dami nila yung sa ilalim mo.
Dami.
Meron pa dyan sa ilalim mo.
Hedgehog.
Wala dyan. Ito, may Matthew, oh. Boa. Ito, Matthew, oh.
Snake. Snake, green. What
Hello.
color?
Green tree python. Dami snake. Green tree python.
Ay.
Oh, yun. Green.
Look.
Oh, yun oh.
Tago.
Ayun, oh, Matthew, gumagalaw, oh.
Invite ang dila natin. Uy, Dati no.
Hindi pa, pagod. Babay kasi ikaw, baba.
Baba ka. Oh.
Hello. Ikaw ang pinasurface.
Ayun pa.
Ay, yeah. Chew.
Pinikit yung mouth mo sa mirror.
Huwag mo indikit yung... Ayun pa, tignan mo doon.
Ayun, laki, oh.
Ayan oh.
Ayun, yung laki. What yun?
Oh, yan oh.
Ayun, oh, yellow.
Laki dito.
Ayan, tignan mo yung...
Hindi. Ay, yung hindi. Maliit lang yung hinawakan natin sa bowl.
Hello.
Matthew, gecko, oh. Ano, gecko?
Ano dito?
Ay, no, gecko, oh. Ayun, oh.
Dito ko na. Ano dito?
Ako naman anak magtuna.
Ang bango naman. Ito, ang dami, oh.
Huwag ka ako.
Hello, I'm Sonat Panindang. Hello!
Same lang yan, mirror lang yan, mirror. Wala na, mirror na lang yun.
Bakit? Maraming virus yan. Ala, asan yung bag mo? Ikat na?
Ano yata sa akin? Picture kita, May. Matthew!
Yes po. Sa bawal lang po. Sa payment option. Pero pwede yung video. Sir, bawal po yung personal camera sa loob. Sa loob lang po sa ano.
Ang bawal ah.
Sa entrance.
Hindi naman siya masyadong ano. Hindi na, wala nang special doon. Pinagbawal pa nila.
Picture lang nila.
Ano, photo. Telephone. Wala masyado dito. Ay no, Big Superman oh. Ang laki oh.
This one, oh?
Ay. Ganda oh. Dami. Ayun oh, Matthew. Laki oh. Ano fish yan?
Ano ba siya? Narwhal?
Narwhal ba yan?
Narwhal yan? Ano yun? Ang laki na to.
Ano to yata? Alligator fish yata to. Ito tiger fish oh. Ayun ako, tiger fish oh.
Sinabilin! Mami naliit man! Mami, si Kobe! Mami, maliit!
Ito angel fish oh.
Liit lang mami, naliit!
Liit oh.
Meron laki, inaliit! Hello, liit fish! Are you swimming around?
Are you swimming around?
Ayun pa, meron pa doon, oh.
Tawag ka ito!
Hindi yan pag namakita ng isda na yung gano'n. Hindi yan pala yung
Ito.
Dito, hello. Hello, dito, Pili. Are you swimming around, are we? Hello. Hello, Pili. Hello,
Ay, laki, oh.
Hello. Are you swimming around? Hello, Maris.
Di ka papigil.
Oh, Daddy.
Ay, no?
Baby. Hello. Daddy.
Ako, baba. Ayan na pala.
Watch your stingray, yo.
Ba't yung stinger nyo? Yun, laki ng tilapia. Ano yan? Moving, oh. It's moving. Ayun, oh, ang dami fish, oh. Ayun, oh. Snail, oh. Ay, ano to? Hindi, naman ang tawag dyan, eh. Hindi. Ay, ayun, oh, seahorse, oh. Ay, seahorse, oh. Ay, seahorse ba yan? Oh. Ano to? Hermit crab. Hermit crab? Ang galing mo, ah.
Sino to?
Seahorse yata yun, anak, eh.
Dito, Hermit crab. Hello, Hermit crab. Are you eating?
Ano? Hermit crab. Hello. Ay, may other side pa.
Ay, imagine yung sa...
Ay, sakto nuts, oh. Ano tawag dyan, anak? Ano yan, anak? Ano yan? What's that?
Garden eat. Garden eat.
What's that?
Garden eat.
Garden eels.
mo yung nakikita, di?
Garden eels. Go.
Mani garden eats yan.
Ano yan?
Garden eat.
Oh, garden eels daw to. Galing mo, anak, ah. Galing na, anak, ah.
Imagine mo dito ng tayo. Kahit pala
Matthew, this one, ah. Dami.
Look, colorful.
Colorful, no? Oh, yellow, oh. Yellow fish, oh.
Daddy, no. Lily. Bawal yan.
Coral. Ayan, anak. What fish is that, anak? What fish is that?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Hindi mo alam. Okay lang.
No fish in the taas.
Oh, ano yan?
Sea urchin.
Sea urchin. Galing mo, ah.
You know my eyes?
May eyes sila, no? Ito.
Ito may shark dito.
May shark dun. Hindi naman dun. Ado, go to mami, bilis. Matthew, ayun yung starfish, oh. Ayun, oh. Ayun yung shark. Count yun. Dami starfish, oh. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ayun, parang squid yata yun, you know? Ayun na, gumalaw ni Sher. Ay, oo. At anong shark yan, anak? What shark is that? Oh, shark yan. Leopard shark?
Daddy, ano to?
Ay po, small squid yata yun, ano?
Daddy, no! Open!
Hindi yung starfish. Oh, moving yung starfish. Halika na. Ayun na, gumagalaw na.
Ano to?
Parang small squid. Ayun na, ano ko. Anong shark yan?
Leopard shark?
Leopard shark?
Hello! Squid!
Ay, Masha, ano yun?
I know. What's this? What's this?
Ito, in my five.
Apo, ano po yan? Sea urchin.
Ang dami, ano? Ay, no, laki.
Matthew, may shrimp, oh. Dito, may shrimp. Ayun, oh, shrimp. Ayun, oh, sa baba. Tiger prawn. Matthew, this one. How about this one? What is that? What shrimp is that? Is that a tiger shrimp? Ay, no?
Sarap yun eh.
Sarap i-eat yan.
Lobster na.
Nemesis?
No.
Wow, ganda.
Yan. Ano, Peach?
Nemesis.
Mami, no, nemesis. Oh.
Ito yata yung tinuturo ka. Yan, eh. Oh.
Ano, nemesis. Oh.
Oh, ganda. Nemesis yan?
Ay, ayun, no.
Yan.
Look at all my starfish.
Starfish meron?
Ano?
Ay, ayun. Oh, laki. Ay na, may moving dun, oh.
Mami, no, may starfish.
Ay, no, pufferfish yata yun, oh. Pufferfish yata
Mami,
yun, oh.
show. Kay Mami, starfish.
Ay, no, oh, mami, ayun daw yung starfish, oh.
Mami, may,
Tatawa ka, anak, na-overwhelm ko sa mga nakikita mo, eh.
Ay, wow.
Oh, kita mo yan, crab? Oh, yung moving sila, oh.
Light sila.
Oh. Oh, dito pa, oh, angelfish, oh.
Wala dito ang anglerfish.
Meron dito.
Ay, nakailalim yung dagat yun.
Ito,
Ito?
ganda. Black and white.
Daddy, ito. Ay, ganda. No, ano to?
Oh, what fish is that?
Which is that?
Ganda.
No, ano to?
I don't know. I don't know what fish is that. Ay, ang dami oh.
Daddy, no, itago.
Ang tago.
Oh. Daddy, no?
Where's the...
Uy.
Uy, ganda mo serious. Oh,
Mami, ano to? Maliit. In my life.
Baby nila.
Uy, hello, baby. Hello, queen. Hey, mommy. The horse na. Lock together.
love together.
Uy,
Ano sabi
hello.
mo na?
Love together.
Daddy, no.
Yours love together?
No. Hey, look in the time to swim. Daddy, no. Look. Daddy, no.
I know.
Daddy, no.
Oh.
Daddy, no. Open the swim.
Clownfish. Alam niya? Sinabi niya clownfish. Galing mo talaga, ano ka?
Daddy, galing ko.
Opo, galing mo.
Oh, swordfish yan eh.
Starfish. Ulit yan.
Oh, what's
Kaya
that?
ako eh. Ito?
Opo.
Uy, may bites dyan. Daddy, may bites dyan.
About this one, what fish is this? Oh,
Dito may fish yan.
lionfish? Galing mo talaga. What fish is this? Huh? Lionfish. Yeah, it's lionfish. Galing mo na ka. Na-video ko to para pag ano, nag-YouTube ka, panoorin ko. Ito malaki oh. Hiding, Matthew, hiding oh, lionfish.
Dory! Dory!
Ganyan sa mga hotel, hindi mo pag
Ano fish yan, anak? Ano fish yan? Tong-tong. Giant trevally.
Daddy, no? Jenny, no?
Tayo dyan? Halika na. Sa loob tayo, sa loob.
Ayun o! Wait, Daddy!
Yes, tingnan niyo. Init. Dami stingray oh. Ayun oh, laki Matthew oh. Ayun oh, laki nun oh.
Baby shark yan, baby shark.
Huwag may tikit yung
Uwi na natin isa. Uwi na natin isa. Uwi natin isa. Sa bahay. Shark.
Ayun oh. Ayun oh, Matthew oh.
Sabi ko yung taste dito yung shark, ano?
Saan eh? Yun siya eh.
Alam na?
Hi! Hi! Lubog ko kaya? Para makita. Hindi, wala mapaglagay yung saya mo anak ah. Jellyfish penguins? Ah, dito tayo, dito.
Oo, wait lang. Dito na tayo. Dito na tayo.
Hello, naka-check-in na kami. 12 o'clock pa lang. Ano ko karyo mo? Hindi dyan anak. Mas maganda yun sa atin, may ano, ocean. Ito. Uy. Let's go. Pasok ka naman.
ano yan? Complimentary. Wow!
Diba? Diba? Ganda room natin. Ayan. Ito room. Bayview. Oh, mas maganda kaysa sa aquarium room.
Daddy, non.
Oh, di ba?
Daddy, non.
Oh, layo.
Daddy, non, may boat.
May boat
Daddy,
yan.
tayo man dito. Interpret in the deepest. Dito in the deepest. In the midnight. Oh. Yay!
Your right arm here in the middle, this side. Left, right arm, middle. Okay, let's put it right. Now, let's call our psychic verb, Dazzle. Dazzle is our super person galaxy. Scientific name is Kakatuwaka Yunita. Common inhabitants in the woodlands and the forest areas along the east coast of Australia. And to thunder! For Dazzle, three or two. Are just like a married couple. Monogamous, meaning they will remain or partner for a lifetime, really interesting rules. So all the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on girls, let me hear you cheer. Sassy, 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 Sassy. Very good. So all the boys will cheer for Rocky. Come on boys, let me hear you cheer. Rocky, Rocky. Very well. So, drivers ready? Birds ready? Set, go! Please, Rocky, for the first ball. Followed by the second ball. And one ball for Sassy. For the last one, and Rocky wins! For 1 year of applause for our volunteer and body. Ladies and gentlemen, please look to your left, presenting our Brahminikai, here comes Shadow. Brahminikai is scientifically known as the Nestor Indus, one of more than 46 species of birds of prey around the world. These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, and the Philippines. They locally known as Lawin or Banok in Visayas region. Chicken!
Chicken!
And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. To its nest and mates. How about a round of applause for our raptors, our chicken, and our homing pigeons?
Hello everyone! Wow, what a beautiful area! Good day everyone. Together with Trainer David, say hi! And on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lions that we have here. And she is the smartest. Confident. Her name is Jenny. Together with Trainer Johnny, say hello! As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's the fine demonstration. How about a round of applause for our sea lion friend? Have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this down. So flexible, right? Another round of applause for Sila Red. Vision in the wild. They have waters close to shores, black rock flips swing typhoon, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing ability, scale, rocky waves. Check this out. Surely strong front rivers. About their swimming abilities and they start with Vincent, the handsome one. Sea lions can generally cruise around 11 miles per hour, using the moving movements of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as runners or steering. And that is their normal swim. Nice and easy. Takes so much future to living, but when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a first speed up to. Ready, Annie? Ready? 25 miles per hour. That's so fast. A round of applause for Yenny, the smartest. Ooh, nice glide. And another one. She deserved it. Now it's March. Ready? Hop, 2, 3, 4, hop, 2, salute! This time, could you please join us, Sila and salute? And a count of 3, everybody please salute and make this one loud. People in the crowd, are you ready? Hey guys, I can't hear you. Are you ready? Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, salute everybody. Thank you so much. So when they get the ring, Sila win. And they got it. A round of applause. Vincent from the
Ah, galing Ganda na yung rings
How do you think they get the ball? It's A. Careful, ladies. Buddies. Almost there. Careful. Come on, Vincent. Second. 1. Let's move it.
Galing
And to the water building. Twisted and turning. Come on, careful.
Galing
Around the board, we shake. 1 feet and bounce. And our favorite part now would be shake. Shake those booty. Keep on rolling. Don't be any. Show them what you got. People in the crowd, stand. Arriba. And for the finale. Ready? Let's go. Kiss.
Pabalik na kami sa room. Ito si Mami.
Yay! Daddy,
sila ng penguin. Penguin? Hmm. Kain kami dinner. Dinner time. Breakfast. Good morning, Mommy.
I-carry ko ikaw. Ilaki na ako. Mas malaki and carry ka.
Chicken. Bangus. Scrambled egg, hard-boiled egg. Ito, Mio. Pasta.
Daddy,
Rice.
look the bread.
Bread.
Iling natin.
Ano soup yan?
Mushroom.
Mushroom.